Hello, this is Abir. Today I'm gonna show you the presentation of my website that I designed for the Pregnancy Care Clinic to as a final project for the web design class in QMecca for 2020, spring 2020. So first of all, this is the first page or the home page of my website with the logo and the head, and here there is a video of how the services helped the ladies. So second one is the services of the clinic. So if we go down there, then we'll see all the services. This is the staff for Al Cajon. The Pregnancy Care Clinic is a non-profit clinic that has two branches, one in Al Cajon and the other one in San Diego. So these are the people who are helping or serving in Al Cajon Clinic. Then these are the classes that the clinic helps. So the clinic helps pregnant women with pregnancy tests and ultrasound and other education materials services. So if anyone want to schedule appointment or know the hours for the clinic, then if they can click here, they will go to the contact us, and then here is the information for El Cajon Clinic and San Diego Clinic with the hours, with the phone, text number and everything. If we go back to the events, to the services, and then if anyone who can speak Arabic, because I'm an Arabic speaker and I like to give information in Arabic too, so if anyone speak Arabic cannot understand English, so if they click here, then they will find the information in Arabic, all the services or the classes, everything. And here contact us, same thing. Then after the services is the event, because the Pregnancy Care Clinic is a non-profit. They will have a lot of several events through the year for fundraising. So first of all, they will have the open house always in January. Second, they have Walk for Life. This year was virtual because of the COVID. Then Go for Life and the banquet. This year was a virtual fall events because of the COVID again. So if anyone like to participate or know more information about the events and the coming events, so they can go here, there, click, then they can. After that is the get involved. We in the clinic, they have so many volunteers, so if you like to volunteer, you just choose what kind of help that you can give, then click here and contact Karen Thoman or call the clinic for more information about the volunteer package and everything else. And then is the contact, as we said. So I was thinking to put here in the event a kind of a slideshow for all the event and more picture for events, but I then said it's gonna be too much of pictures, and so I like it to be simple. So I hope you like my design, and thank you very much for your listening, and thank you Professor Judy for all your information and the help that you gave through the course. Thank you very much and enjoy your day. Bye. Thank you very much again. I'm Abira Sabah. I'm one of the students for web design spring 2020 QMecca College.